Welcome to NutriMom and Baby. Today, we're making a delicious fertility-boosting smoothie that's perfect for both partners. Packed with science-backed ingredients to nourish your baby dreams. Banana, vitamin B6 for hormone balance, NIH. Mango, vitamin A for egg and sperm health, Harvard study. Walnuts, omega-3s improve sperm motility, ASRM guidelines. Chia, fiber and antioxidants, Journal of Nutrition. Pro tip: use frozen mango for extra creaminess. No ice needed. This tropical twist makes the healthy stuff taste like dessert. We're using homemade almond milk. Grab the recipe from the link below. It's packed with fertility-friendly vitamin E. Why this works. Walnuts increase sperm vitality by 18%. Harvard 2023. Mango's beta-carotene supports uterine lining. Chia balances blood sugar. Key for PCOS. Enjoy this 3 to 4 times weekly as part of a fertility diet. Want to learn how tomatoes can boost sperm health? Subscribe for episode 3. Tap the bell so you don't miss it.